I want to say a very big thank you to all my family members for making Modicare reach where it is today. Today, Modicare is the fastest growing company in the world. Today, we are creating more millionaires than any other company out there. Today, we are getting over 150,000 people joining us each month. And today, we are making sure that Azadi is in the lives of people we touch. This was only possible because of your hard work, because of your belief in me, because of your belief in Modicare and the products that we sell. We only sell one product, and the product is called Azadi. So thank you for spreading that. For all those who are new and are listening and seeing this video, I want to say welcome. Welcome to the world of Modicare that will change your lives for good, that will make your dreams come true. If at any point or time you feel stuck, if at any point or time you need to reach out, then I, Samir Modi, will be there to help you. With every step you take, my promise is that I'll take too. So, if you want to reach out, if you're in trouble, you're stuck, you feel that you can't reach your dreams fast enough, then pick up your phone and send me a message or a WhatsApp. My personal mobile is 9810000123. I am hoping that with the world of Modicare, as you join our family or you're part of this family, you'll continue to provide freedom to yourself and the people's lives you touch. Soch badlo, khud ko badlo, dunya badlo, and I look forward to seeing you soon in our events or in our office or in our centers. Jai Hind, Namaste.